Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, Sedgwick is currently hiring, guys. They have over 750 jobs available, but I typed in the word remote and I saw 126 jobs open for remote opportunities. And I was just scrolling through here, guys, and I wanted to take a look, but I wanted to choose a job. That way I can give you a description of one of the opportunities that they currently have available for remote. And I chose this Medicare specialist remote job, guys. And it says taking care of people is at the heart of everything we do. And we start by taking care of you, our valued colleague. A career at Sedgwick means experiencing our culture of caring. It means having flexibility and time for all things, and that are important to you. It's an opportunity to do something meaningful each and every day. It's having support and for your mental and physical, financial, and professional needs. It means sharpening your skills and growing your career. And it means working in an environment that celebrates diversity and it's fair and it's inclusion. So a career at Sedgwick is where passion meets purpose to make a positive impact on the world through the people and organizations we serve. If you are someone who is driven to make a difference, who enjoys a challenge, and above all, if you're someone who cares, there's a place for you here at Sedgwick. So, guys, it's a great place to work, most loved workplace, Forbes Best in State Employer. The primary purpose here is to coordinate, analyze, facilitate Medicare compliance and Medicare set aside functions within the assigned team. And your responsibilities is compiles and review, analyze claims files and management reports, and all of the details for the responsibilities are here, guys. So if this job role fits your talent and your skills, please come over here and submit your resume for this particular role, or you can check the 750 some odd jobs that are available here at Sedgwick. But for this particular role, they're looking for a bachelor's degree from an accredited college or university preferred. Travel is required, supports organization, quality program, performs other duties as assigned, skills and knowledge, thorough knowledge of claims management, excellent oral and written communication, including persuasive writing skills, the work environment, when applicable and appropriate considerations. For this particular role, it ranges anywhere between 53,973 to $75,562 a year that you would make with that. So that would average out $38 an hour. So I just wanted to use this job as an idea of what Sedgwick is currently hiring for, guys. So super congrats to anyone who gets this role or any one of the roles here at Sedgwick. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. As you can see, guys, there's 729 jobs now open now. At first, it was like 750 something odd jobs that I saw originally. So, guys, hope you're having a super fantastic day. Hope you are doing all the things to make yourself happy. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much. If you know anyone who's looking for a job of any kind, please share this video with them, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing all of the other previous videos as well. You are the best. Love you lots. I appreciate you lots. Thank you so much for all you do. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now, friends.